Number 1. 1983 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000. $3,500, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1983 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 is a customized Ironhead that blends classic Harley character with tasteful upgrades. It features a custom fuel tank, integrated dash, speedometer, and ignition switch, along with a modified front fender and a laced 21-inch front wheel that gives it a clean, chopper-inspired stance. The overall setup reflects a balance between style and usability. Mechanically, it has received important recent maintenance, including a brand new cycle electric generator, updated wiring, fresh gaskets and seals, and a full primary and transmission service. With clutch and chain adjustments already completed, it is described as ready to ride home. Backed by a clean title, it presents a solid and well-sorted vintage Harley option. Number 2. 1973 Honda CB750. $5,500. Denver, Colorado. This 1973 Honda CB750 is an iconic early superbike that helped define the modern motorcycle era with its inline-4 engine and strong performance. With just over 13,000 miles, it remains in great running condition and retains much of its original appeal. The classic orange finish adds to its period-correct look and vintage charm. The bike runs well overall, with only minor notes, such as a small dent in the tank and a clutch that could benefit from adjustment. These are relatively minor issues that do not take away from its usability. With a clean title and strong mechanical foundation, it offers a great opportunity to own a landmark Honda in rideable condition. Number 3. 1969 Triumph Custom Chopper, $6,500, Omaha, Nebraska. This 1969 Triumph Custom Chopper is a bold vintage build featuring a stretched front end, custom forks, and a stripped-down bobber-style rear. It is powered by a modified engine that has been bored out for additional performance, and it is equipped with new carburetors to improve reliability and throttle response. The bike also features custom handlebars and exhaust, giving it a distinctive look and sound that stands out. Its long, low stance and minimalist design reflect classic chopper aesthetics from the era. For riders seeking a unique and eye-catching vintage custom, this Triumph offers strong presence and individuality. Number 4. 1981 Yamaha XS11H. $2,400, Derby, Kansas. This 1981 Yamaha XS11H is a large displacement touring-style motorcycle known for its smooth inline-4 engine and long-distance capability. With over 51,000 miles, it has proven its reliability and continues to run strong, supported by recent electrical updates, including a new stator, rectifier, and relay. The bike has been stored undercover and maintained with practical care, including a recovered seat and consistent upkeep. Minor cosmetic wear is present, but it does not affect performance. Described as dependable enough for long trips, it offers excellent value as a ready-to-ride vintage machine with solid touring potential. Number 5. 1981 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE Chopper, $7,500, Castle Rock, Colorado. This 1981 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead chopper is a true rider, built with a raw and minimalist approach. It features a suicide clutch and jockey shift setup, delivering a hands-on and engaging riding experience that appeals to experienced riders. The build includes a peanut tank, white wall tires, and a clean, stripped-down look that captures classic chopper style. The bike runs strong and has proven reliability, having recently completed a 100-mile ride without issues. Its simple and functional design emphasizes performance and character over excess detail. With a clean title and solid roadworthiness, it stands as a well-built custom Harley that is ready to be enjoyed. Number 6. 1975 Kawasaki 100, $2,150, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This 1975 Kawasaki 100 is a lightweight vintage motorcycle that offers simple mechanics and easy riding characteristics, making it a great choice for casual use or entry-level riders. With low miles, it presents as a clean and well-preserved example that has been maintained well enough to still run and drive great today. Its compact size and straightforward design make it especially approachable. The bike does have a small oil drip, which is common for machines of this age, but it does not take away from its usability. With a clean title in hand and solid running condition, it stands as a practical and affordable classic. It's a great option for someone looking for a fun, uncomplicated vintage ride. Number 7. 1968 Triumph Bonneville, $13,000, Brush, Colorado. This 1968 Triumph Bonneville is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, known for its 650cc parallel twin engine and timeless styling. It represents the golden era of Triumph performance and continues to be highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Its classic design and strong heritage make it a standout in any vintage lineup. As a well-preserved example, it reflects the qualities that made the Bonneville famous, including responsive power and a smooth riding experience. The model's enduring popularity adds to its long-term value and desirability. For those seeking a premium vintage British motorcycle, this Bonneville offers both historical significance and lasting appeal. Number 8. 1977 Honda Goldwing, $1,600, Loveland, Colorado. This 1977 Honda Goldwing is an early example of Honda's legendary touring platform, featuring a smooth flat-four engine and advanced engineering for its time. With around 43,000 miles, it remains a reliable runner that delivers strong performance and comfortable cruising. It also features upgrades like custom saddlebags and a king and queen seat for added touring comfort. The bike runs well and has received a new rear tire, making it ready for continued use. Known for its low-maintenance shaft drive and dual front disc brakes, it offers both practicality and performance. At this price point, it represents excellent value for a classic touring motorcycle with proven reliability. Number 9. 1974 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $8,200, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1974 Moto Guzzi Eldorado is a fully restored Italian classic that blends distinctive styling with robust engineering. The bike has undergone an extensive restoration, including a re-chromed tank and hardware, rebuilt engine heads, upgraded alternator, new starter, and refreshed braking system. Additional updates like powder-coated components and new mufflers enhance both durability and appearance. It runs strong and has been test-ridden to confirm its performance, making it a reliable and well-sorted machine. Minor cosmetic imperfections, such as small bubbles in the paint and seat, are noted, but they are reflected in the price. With its comprehensive restoration and unique character, it offers strong value for a collector-grade vintage bike. Number 10. 1975 Yamaha XS650, $2,250, Littleton, Colorado. This 1975 Yamaha XS650 is a classic parallel twin known for its durability, strong performance, and huge aftermarket support. With around 12,600 miles, it runs and rides, but will benefit from some tuning to reach its full potential. The bike has been modified with an electronic ignition system, high-output coil, and upgraded clutch components. Currently set up as a kickstart-only machine with pod filters, it also includes original parts, along with additional components like Mikuni carburetors and a Haynes manual. This makes it a versatile platform for customization or restoration. With its solid mechanical base and included extras, it offers a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking to build or refine a classic XS650.
Number 11. 1966 Harley-Davidson Ironhead, $6,800, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1966 Harley-Davidson Ironhead chopper features a vintage AEE Springer front end dated to the same era, paired with an aggressive rake that gives it a bold and unmistakable stance. The paint is described as immaculate, while the chrome remains in very good condition overall, with only minor wear visible on select components. It's a visually striking custom that blends authentic period parts with classic chopper styling. Mechanically, the bike kicks over easily and runs strong, making it a solid rider as it stands. It will need a new generator and some wiring work for the lights to be fully functional, but these are manageable tasks for someone familiar with vintage Harleys. With minimal effort, this Ironhead could be elevated into a true show-worthy machine.
Number 12. 1981 Honda CM400 Twin Chopper, $4,500, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1981 Honda CM400 has been transformed into a custom hardtail chopper featuring a vintage Husqvarna fuel tank and a range of hand-built details. The build showcases clean lines and a lightweight, minimalist approach that gives it a unique dirt track-inspired character. Its one-of-a-kind design sets it apart from more traditional V-twin chopper builds. The bike runs well and offers a distinctive riding experience thanks to its smaller displacement and custom configuration. It's an appealing option for riders looking for something different, especially those who appreciate creative custom work. With its solid condition and unique styling, it stands out as a personalized and functional custom motorcycle. Number 13. 1978 Triumph Tiger, $5,000, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1978 Triumph Tiger represents one of the final generations of classic British parallel twins, carrying forward the brand's long-standing reputation for simple, engaging performance. Finished in black, it maintains a clean and traditional appearance that reflects its era. The bike is described as running well, making it a ready-to-enjoy vintage machine. Its straightforward mechanical setup and classic design make it appealing for both collectors and riders who enjoy hands-on ownership. These late-era Triumphs offer a blend of vintage charm and usable performance, making them suitable for regular riding or light restoration. It's a solid example of a timeless British motorcycle.
Number 14. 1975 Suzuki TS400 Apache, $4,500, Longmont, Colorado. This 1975 Suzuki TS400 Apache is a classic dual-sport motorcycle known for its strong two-stroke performance and versatility both on and off the road. The bike is reported to look excellent and runs just as well, offering a smooth and powerful ride that can comfortably handle highway speeds. Its rugged design and reliable engine make it a standout in the vintage enduro category. Although the speedometer has been replaced and the mileage is not accurate, the overall condition reflects a well-maintained machine. With a clean Colorado title and strong performance, it's a great choice for riders seeking a capable and fun vintage dual-purpose bike. Its combination of usability and classic appeal adds to its value.
Number 15. 1971 Honda SL. $1,000. Denver, Colorado. This 1971 Honda SL is a lightweight vintage trail bike that offers a solid starting point for restoration or customization. Finished in blue, it retains the classic styling that made these early Honda dual sport models popular for both on- and off-road use. Its simple design makes it easy to work on and ideal for hands-on enthusiasts. Currently, the engine has low compression at around 60 psi, meaning it will require mechanical attention before returning to running condition. It will need to be transported by trailer or carrier, but at this price point, it presents an affordable project with good potential. For builders or collectors, it offers a chance to revive a classic Honda platform.